Okay, so this is the development environment of the graphical user interface project for Atari 8-bit computers. This is Eclipse running under Windows 7 with the WUDSN plugin, which supports MADS and a couple of other assemblers. And of course we've got Atari 800 Win Plus emulator in the front. And this is pretty much how things start up when I start up Eclipse. We've got all the source files and a few other things lined up in tabs along the top. Quite a few other things actually. That's the Mac Paint source code, which I haven't looked at for a while actually, but it's always handy to have around. There's about 7,000 lines of assembler code. It's all compiled under MADS. This is the main file, which is effectively a demo application. Simply calls routines from the library. And here is the main source file for the library. Just 2,500 lines of assembler. I've tried to split it up as best I can. This is the file handles the menus, what we got in there. About 450 lines. This handles the heap. This is the graphic specific stuff, of which there are 908 lines. This is the file which will probably require the most changes if we need to code this up for VBXE, which I've been asked to do and I was intending to do anyway. This is a small file for the mouse. This is the text renderer. That's 500 lines long. Data for the GUI, another 500 lines or thereabouts. So all in all it adds up 6,000 or 7,000 lines. So really the development process is coding, hop over to the emulator. I'll probably start to use Altera when things get a little bit more intense. I've managed to get by with Atari 800 Win for the so far, purely because I'm used to the interface and it's very compact. But I do envisage a move to Altera quite soon. And then it's simply a case of running the executable from the H device, which is the target directory for the assembler. And it's just an endless cycle of compile, run, test. So we'll enable the mouse. So here we've got mouse control in the GUI, in the emulator. A nasty bug, which I still haven't tracked down. This seems to depend on the size of the code, so it's pretty random. So we've got a separator line which is outside of the menu, crossed over the window, and then we've got a shortcut key which is on the desktop, which isn't good. So that needs to be sorted out. Now I can envisage that being quite a difficult problem to track down. We've got something gone wrong again. So as you can see, it's in a very incomplete state at the moment, and although I am intending to release a demo quite soon, you'll see how quickly the window comes up there, and some of you will have already seen the demo video made of the scroll bars. So that's pretty much where we are at the moment. I'll deactivate the mouse and then go back and edit the code a little bit more, and that's pretty much it. Obviously if I want to test the executable on real hardware, I've got Ape on the taskbar ready to be launched, and that's permanently hooked up to an Atari a little further along the desk. So that's pretty much it. I hope that just gives you an idea of the scale of the project. So thanks for watching.